You started the first ever radio station for women, म्याओ FM, जो दिल्ली में था और बहुत बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया था. Did you have any data? आपके पास कोई numbers थे, कोई statistics थे कि women सुनेंगी?
नहीं, see, working with women and empowerment of women and all that, ये by osmosis मेरी माँ करती थी, उनका NGO था. The strength of the nation depends on the strength of the voice of its women. So if they're allowed to tell stories or given the platform, and I say allowed, it doesn't mean that I'm a man and I'm allowing. You see, the feminazis will pick up on that. The point is, if the platform is given and they're given the tools to do so, and that was what the thought behind Meow was, कि अगर हमने open up the airwaves करेंगे और सिर्फ लड़कियों से बात करें, ऐसा नहीं कि लड़के नहीं सुनेंगे. मेरा मानना है कि जब लड़के सुनने लगते हैं ना, वो कुछ सीखते हैं. The problem is वो सुनते कम है. Initially, we had more men listening, obviously, कि जहाँ women है तो men का curiosity तो होगा ही. So we had to go see. Radio and talk radio is a psychological game. There's a lot of mind reading. There's a lot of, I hate to use the word, but positive manipulation that's possible, or even a negative manipulation that's possible. And that's the reason governments are afraid of radio and less afraid of TV. TV को तो छूट दे चुके हैं ना, पर रेडियो में बंद दिया अभी, क्योंकि जब रेडियो कोई सुनता है तो पूरा सुनता है. There is no half listening. या सुनता है या नहीं सुनता है, डिजिटल है. जैसे आपने कहा कि listening of prime time में men के ज्यादा था. हाँ, ठीक है, but there is a time where women are able to listen more. So prime time is defined differently for this target audience. So sometimes हमारा जो show था Mama Meow, which was a parenting show on a daily basis, used to get more damn ratings than what a mainstream station like Mirchi would get for that time slot, because that was our prime time. And we had to redefine all of this. And yes, I took a professional risk and it hurt me professionally, right? I must also give credit to my boss, Arun Puri Sahab, who took the risk with me. वरना ये सिर्फ आप मुझे दाद दे रहे हो, पर I would say अगर वो उनका हाथ मेरे सर पे नहीं होता तो ये नहीं होता.